I gotta tell you, it feels so much better. There is no real smell right now that I ran into. Which is good, because me and Daisy gotta go for a big walk. Oh my God, you got my jacket on. How could that be possible? My jacket's quite a bit cooler. Got a little more on it, but that's pretty cool. It's a great jacket for the rain. I was going to get rid of it because I thought I wasn't going to wear it again because it's really heavy. But I'm glad I didn't. It's only really heavy in the summer, not now. And it keeps the wind and whatever out too in the rain. It's perfect with a nice jacket underneath. I had to fight like hell to get this overdose prevention. They used to put it right by our door during the pandemic. It was a big fight. They actually thought it was their right to have it right parked here by our tent. It was a big fight. The COVID people made them take it down. I phoned the COVID police.